Hey, Danielle K. Howell here, your online success coach from youronlinesuccesscoach.com. Just finished walking that trail. I don't know if you guys can see that trail back there. I've been getting a lot of exercise in. It's hot out here in Florida, but it's beautiful. It's sunny. It's hot, humid, but it's lovely. It's lovely. So let's talk today a little bit about capturing leads for your business. So leads, remember these words, leads are the lifeline of your business. When I first got started in business, I didn't know anything about leads. I was in network marketing for a very long time. And, my concept of leads was having, this list of people on a piece of paper. And I was told to buy these leads, which had phone numbers, and to call these people. And I remember doing that. And people would curse me out. They would hang up on me. I had this script that I had to follow. And I was wondering why nobody was, receptive to what I was saying on the phone. Come to find out, those leads were probably old leads. They were expired leads. I didn't know any better. I just did what my sponsor told me to do. Fast forward, after failing in that business, I got on online marketing, and then I understood the concept of leads, lead generation, capturing leads, converting leads into sales. Those were really, really important concepts when I got online. Now, they were important concepts in network marketing offline, but I just didn't know. Yeah, I used to have home parties and have people write their name on a list with a clipboard or whatever. But I didn't understand the importance of capturing these leads and emailing these people. Emailing your leads is powerful, because when you email your leads, which you call your list, these people now, they already know you, right? You get them to like you, you get them to trust you, and then they buy from you. And you don't have to have home parties and all that stuff. You don't have to have a sign in your car, which I did. I'm guilty. You don't have to, advertise all over. I used to put these things called Hot Pockets and flyers all on the bathroom stalls and on the bus stops. It was crazy. But leads, when you learn how to generate leads on the internet, this is a fantastic way for you to build your list and to gain a group of people, into the hundreds, into the thousands, into the tens of thousands, into the hundreds of thousands of people who want what you are offering. And you do this online. You can give a free offer, a free giveaway, right? Maybe a free ebook, a free cheat sheet, a free video series. These are the things that I teach in my boot camp. I teach my students how to give these things away for free so that you can capture a lead that's worth, so much more than you could ever imagine, depending on what you are offering, what you're selling. So leads are the lifeline of your business. You must be capturing leads every single day. Even when you're outside, walking the trail, exercising, you should be capturing leads in your autoresponder, and that autoresponder should be working for you 24/7. That autoresponder should be sending out your leads some information about your offer, about your opportunity, about your whatever it is you're selling, your products, whatever. And this is how you gain momentum. This is how you make sales on autopilot. This is how you continue to grow your business. Leads are new people coming in all the time, new people who are buying from you, new people who are seeing your offer, and new people who are becoming customers, new business reps, partners, clients, whatever they are to you. So if you are not generating leads, I encourage you right now, there's a link below. Get response, right? I use Get Response as an autoresponder, and get a ClickFunnels account. You can get a 14-day trial of both of those things. Try them out for yourself. I'm going to do another video on how you can make money with ClickFunnels. It's awesome. Just by using ClickFunnels, you can make money. But that's a whole nother video. But you get your tools. You need these tools. You need a place for people to put in their name and email address, and you need for them to have a automated response to them as soon as they come into your autoresponder. And I'm telling you, when I implemented these tools into my business grew substantially. I mean, 100-fold. I didn't know anything about this stuff. And when I learned it, it changed my business, and it will change yours. So if you want to be free, if you want to have financial independence, if you want to start generating leads on autopilot, if you want to learn how to create, something out of nothing. If you have nothing right now going on, then you need to start creating something, okay? Start with your ClickFunnels, start with your GetResponse, and go through their trainings. They have great trainings on how to use their products, and start generating yourself some great golden leads, my friends, so that you can be free and you can come out here with me and walk around the trail and enjoy your life, enjoy the beauty, enjoy nature, because that's what life is all about. All right, my friends, I'll see you guys in the next video. Be sure to like this video, comment below, let me know if you're generating leads in your business. Subscribe to my channel, please. I'm reaching milestones in my channel. I'm so excited, and I'm so thankful that you have come to my channel and you subscribe. So please subscribe to my channel. It means a lot to me as I continue to bring you content that will help you increase your personal development, increase your business skills, increase your mindset, all of that stuff that you need so that you can create your own economy and enjoy your freedom. All right, have a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.